Hello everyone, welcome back to Fanman MKT's channel. Today, I'm going to introduce a software that helps auto-comment on posts in Facebook groups. And without wasting any more of your time, let's jump right into the video. On the main interface of the software, we will select the comment function, then choose comment group. Next, we will enter the group IDs where we want to spam comments. Select the content and the account we want to use for commenting. Set the number of groups and comments we want, and then click Start. That's it. The software will automatically log in and start spamming comments on posts across the groups for us. While the software is running, we can do other tasks and come back to check once it's finished. If you need this software or any other marketing support tools for online platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, etc., please contact me via the information in the description for the fastest support. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next ones.